Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome to video 7. So in this video I'll teach you what are data types in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, the most common type of data types which you need to be concerned of are these 5 data types, which are number, string, boolean, undefined and null. So what do I mean by data type? So basically these are the most important things you need to know, because these will all these are all like part of the language through which you'll be able to talk with the computer. If you want to talk to the machine, you'll have to use one of these things to talk. So like you can, if you want to, let's say you want to tell the, like through JavaScript, let's say you want to program like a calculator, right? So most of the things would be of type number. Or if you want to say your age, it would be number. Or if you want to say your address, your name, or anything, which is a string or a text, that would be of type string. If you want to say that, let's say I've given here an example, like you want to make a constant means something like which is fixed. So you want to say that, are you smart? And you want to go and ask everyone. So obviously you're doing this course, you are smart, so that would be true. Boolean always have two values, true or false, nothing else. So either it's true or either it's false. So in a programming, when you will need to write that you want to send this boolean to everyone and you want to know if they are smart or not, or anything like, which the answer should be yes or no, like true or false, then you can use boolean. Then you can use undefined. And why do you use undefined? You use it when you don't know what the value is gonna be. For example, will you meet someone new tomorrow? You don't know, like, so you can declare a variable. I already told you how to declare a variable, let, and then you can declare this would be your variable, right? Future friends, and this is just a declaration type. So this will be your name, future friends, and you will name is at undefined, literally like this, undefined, because you don't know what is it. And later on it can take a value, that's totally fine. Same goes the last thing, which is also important, which is called null. Null is basically it's an empty value, you don't know the value. So these are one of the most common data types you will use in JavaScript: number, string, boolean, mostly these three, and then sometimes undefined and null as well. But these are really important to know. And now I will jump to the VS Code. So here I'll show you what I was exactly talking about. So let's say we will just write console.log. Everything I will teach you right now will be just basically of this statement. So why do you write console.log? If you want to see anything in the browser, here you have to write console.log. It's just a JavaScript method, nothing else. So if you write console.log, and what's the first thing? Number. Inside these brackets, right, round brackets, you need to write what is your age, let's say. So you will write your age. Your age is, my age is 23. So I'll just write it like this. And if I refresh this file here, you will see my age 23. So what is this age of type? What's the type of this age? The type of this age is number, right? And you can also get to know the type of it. So I will write here a comma, and if I write type of, you see the first one. And if I go here again and wait, I'm getting an error, and type of 23, and yeah. So now if I refresh it again, it says that I think I did something wrong. Expression expected. So type of, and then you can write here 23, write this, right? And now if you do it, refresh again, number. So this is something, see, I literally forgot like how to do it right now, but that's the part of programming. You'll always have to figure it out how to solve a problem. So we got the solution. So if you want to find the type of this number, right, 23, you can see it's a number. And if I write here my name, so this is a string. What is it? This is the second data type. And if I refresh it here now, you will see type is string, right? Now if I write the type, let's say if I am if if I have friends, so which is true, I have friends, so I will write here true. It's a true value. So if you write type of true and you refresh it, you will see boolean. So this is what I'm saying. This is really important to know. So that's how, and for undefined you will have to declare variable, like, so if you do this, right, type, if you do here, if you go here now, and if you declare a variable, right, and you say let wait, I don't know, let my balance or my savings, I don't have a savings, so if I write if my savings, and I don't know if I'm gonna do savings or not, so I'm not gonna give it any value. So this is a variable, but I'm not giving it any value, I'm leaving it literally in between. So what did I do? I didn't define it, so it's undefined. So if I go here and write my savings, so this variable, right, I'm gonna put it here, and now if I refresh it, see, I got undefined because there's nothing defined on it. But if I go and say, oh yeah, I have saving of, right, 2,000 pounds, let's say, right, and now if I go and refresh it, then what would you think it would come? It would say type of number, right? So here, and you see, it said type of number. And if you go here and directly say that it's null, then it should say it's an object. So basically null is defined as object in JavaScript. That's something, a long thing to talk about, which I'm not going to talk now. So yeah, that was pretty much for this video. The most important thing to know was these 5 data types which you need to know if you want to code in JavaScript. These are the 5 things which you will be using to communicate or to write any JavaScript program: number, string, boolean, undefined, null. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my way of teaching, if you like how I teach, please subscribe my video, subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment if you got stuck anywhere or if you need more advice. That's it. Thank you.